is Miko here again, and today I'm going to be talking about decentralized social. I came upon decentralized social last year, and I absolutely love what DeSo, decentralized social, that's the acronym, what it is doing. And I want to show you on DeSo how easily creators can learn how to post their information on DeSo so that you can earn money as a creator. I think the blockchain technology is going to be something that we are going to see a lot more of this year. And being in the forefront of what is going to happen will help all creators. Okay, so I'm going to show you the DeSo website and go over some of the apps that they have on the blockchain and how you can benefit from that. Okay, so we are on the DeSo website, and as it says, welcome to the social layer of Web3. So DeSo is a new layer one blockchain built from the ground up to decentralize social media and scale storage heavy applications to billions of users. So this is so phenomenal and revolutionary. And there is a video, just a minute and 30 seconds, that I'm going to play just so you can see the power of what it does. Corporations interests. So I absolutely love that video because it really does show what is the possibility with DeSo. Being able to have all your information on chain, on the actual blockchain, and being able to excuse me, being able to own your data, and not have companies own your data, and being able to profit off of what you create and not just the companies that provided the social media platforms being able to profit off of what you create. So I just think this is very revolutionary, and it's going to be something that's going to be huge this year and going forward. And as you can see, DeSo has been backed by many proven investors. We see Coinbase, one of the largest exchanges here in the US, and Andreessen Horowitz, along with many other CAA and so forth. So there are a lot of investors that are invested in DeSo doing well, and providing for all creators. And as you heard in the video, it actually this goes beyond decentralized finance and decentralized social, because it's the only blockchain that could power storage heavy applications. I've heard the founder Nader, he spoke at Mainnet last year, and many of the other platforms, they have to spend so much money in order to actually store the content, but DeSo is stores it at a minimal cost. So it's very cost effective. And then, of course, it's 100% open source and 100% on the blockchain. So if the developers want to use uh, build on top of the DeSo blockchain, they're able to do it. And there are so many great applications that these developers are creating. And one thing I do like about another thing is DeSo has many different hackathons where developers can participate and earn income so that they can, actually make these great apps on top of the DeSo blockchain. And as you can see here, just some more information about DeSo and the blockchain. But here's what I'm talking about: storing characters. It costs money to store it on the blockchain. So if you use Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, or Cardano, this it's a lot of money. But DeSo, look at that, 0.0000117th. So storing the content really is it's cost effective. And so far, there have been 73 million transactions, over $1 billion in volume, over 1.7 million wallets have been created. So it's definitely doing well. And when I was talking about too building, you can build apps on top of DeSo, and that's what I like too, because there's one app which is a Web3 Twitter version, and this particular app, you post it on, it's called Diamond app, and you post it, and what it is you are able to port your information follows you, because there are so many other applications on DeSo. Whenever you post on one application, it's posted on all the other applications that are connected or built on top of DeSo. So it's a really great way for users to own their social graph, and then you can have a greater reach. You have a greater reach because a person may not be on the Diamond app, but they may be on the DeSoFi app, or they may be on the Pearl app. So your information is seen across whatever application that the user is using. And I just want to go over some of the apps that are that are shown on DeSo. So there's Explore Decentralized Social. And so you see there's a decentralized Twitter I talked about, which is Diamond, a decentralized funding. If you have a Web3 project, um, just go on to Open Fund. It's sort of like a Kickstarter in Web3, and you can get your project funded. Um, have the DeSoFi is the actual app. If you speak another language, there's the social world. There's Overcloud. It's a social network that lets you engage and create and earn with your audience. There's a decentralized Discord called the DeSo Messenger. There's a decentralized LinkedIn called Entra, a decentralized OpenSea if you want to do NFTs. That's the name of it, NFTs. If you're a blogger, there's a decentralized Medium, which is called Zircles, a great platform that pays daily. There's a decentralized Zoom called Vibe Hunt, decentralized analytics called Open Prosper. So there's so many different apps on the DeSo blockchain, a decentralized Instagram called Pearl, a decentralized TikTok called Story, and a decentralized Spotify called Musai. So, it list goes on and on. A decentralized Pinterest, Pineso. So there's so many different apps on the DeSo blockchain. And like I said, when you post to one, you post to all of them. And so you are able to get a broader reach for your audience. And not only do you own your particular social content, but people in the community, if they want to give you some type of monetary compensation, they're able to do that in small micro amounts. On DeSo blockchain, it's called giving diamonds, but those diamonds equate to a monetary value. So it's just a really great community. It's a really great place to put all your social media. It's on chain, it's open source. I just think this is going to be revolutionary, and is going to be the way that we do social media in the future. And even the former CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, even he is still doing things in the decentralized realm, and he's even working on a decentralized social media protocol as well. So we definitely see that it's something that we all need to pay attention to. And I'm just really happy that I found out about it last year. And so my goal is to educate everyone about what is going on at DeSo. So just want to bring that to you today. And so tomorrow I'll go into in-depth today I gave you a list of the different apps, but on the days to come, I will go in depth on each app and how you are able to post your content and so forth. So thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.